Ako po at ang aming designated security officer.
You are the one, along with the security officer, who prepares the financial plan. Who then approves the financial plan?
Approved by the head of agency.
And the head of the agency is?
Ma'am BP Sara po.
Okay, now we go to disbursement voucher. Who gives instruction to prepare the disbursement voucher, ma'am? Sino po ang nagbibigay ng instruction para gawin ang disbursement voucher?
Pag nirelease na po ang SARO, mag-instruct po sa akin ang head of agency na pwede na po mag-prepare ng disbursement voucher.
And the head of agency is?
Ma'am BP Sara po.
Yes, Secretariat, please, our disbursement voucher. What we will be flashing, Ms. Acosta, is our disbursement voucher dated December 20, 2022. Do you see your signature in the document?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please direct us where signature is? Would I be correct? It is at the bottom left?
Yes, ma'am.
Which means that you were the one who received the check.
Yes, ma'am.
With the number 2444027. This is December 20, 2022.
Yes po.
Across your signature is your name, Gina F. Acosta.
Yes, ma'am.
You confirm this?
Yes, I confirm po.
Just for the record, Ms. Acosta, do you confirm the authorship of this signature appearing in the disbursement voucher? Perma niyo po ba ito?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And since you were the one who received the disbursement voucher, it is understandable that the check is issued to your name.
Yes
Tama
po.
po?
Tama po, ma'am.
Can we flash the check, Secretariat, please? Would you confirm to us that this is the check that corresponds to the last quarter of 2022?
Yes, ma'am. I confirm.
Yes. What did you do with this check, Ms. Acosta? Ano pong ginawa niyo sa checking ito?
Pag tinatawagan na po ako ng aming cash division na okay na po yung cheque sa
Sandali po. Sino po yon?
cash division po
Cash division po ng
ng Office of the Vice President.
Office of the Vice President. The check is in your possession already. Nasa inyo na pong pangangalaga. Ano pong ginawa niyo dito sa cheque na to?
Magpa-encash po sa Land Bank.
Nagpa-encash sa Land Bank. Saan po ba particular branch nyo in-encash itong cheque na to?
Sa Land Bank Show.
Land Bank Show Boulevard.
Opo.
Can you please read the amount indicated in the check? How much is this check?
125 million pesos po.
And can you please enlighten us? Kailan nyo po ba ito in-encash?
December 20, 2022.
And that is the same date as the issuance of the check.
Yes, ma'am.
Mabilis lang ho ba maggawa ng cheque sa inyo? Mabilis lang po ba?
Sa tingin ko mabilis kasi andyan naman agad ang cheque po.
As a matter of fact, ma'am, the date of the disbursement voucher, the date of the check, and the encashment of the check are the same. That is December 20,
Yes,
2022. And please walk us through. Paano ho ba ninyo ginawa itong encashment ng checking ito? Medyo nakakapaisip lang po considering the huge amount equivalent of this check, 125 million. Physically, napakahirap po nitong bit-bitin. Tama po ba, Ms. Acosta?
Tama po, ma'am.
Kayo po ba'y may kasama when you did the encashment of this check?
Meron pa akong kasama, ma'am.
Sino pong kasama nyo?
Si Asik Limuel Ortonio po.
Asek Limuel Ortonio. Do you confirm that he is the same Assistant Chief of Staff?
Yes, ma'am.
Aside from Asek Ortonio, may kasama pa po ba kayong iba?
Wala na po.
Kayong dalawa lang po.
Yes po.
At saan nyo po nilagay itong perang ito after the check was encashed?
Nilagay po sa 4 na traveling bag.
Paano nyo po ito nabitbit?
Pagkatapos po, kung ang pera po ay nasa 4 na bag, tinutulungan po kami ng security guard ng Land Bank na isakay po sa sasakyan.
Okay, from Shaw Boulevard, saan nyo po dinala itong perang ito?
Sa office namin po, sa OBP office.
Sa OVP, was it your office or was it the office of the Vice President?
Meron po akong isang office doon na nakalagay po ang aming vault.
Gaano po ba kalaki yung inyong vault?
Mga 4 feet, tapos 3 po.
3
Opo.
na 4 feet na
Opo.
vault.
Yes
Balikan
po.
ko po yung bag na na-mention nyo kanina. Can you please describe to us? Gaano po kalaki? Anong itsura ng bag? You said there were 4 bags where you placed the entire amount of 125 million.
Yes po. Color black.
We are showing this Jim duffel bag. Is it similar to that, ma'am?
Dako pa anak, ma'am. Mas malaki pa nito, ma'am.
Mas malaki pa po dyan. Yung bawat bag ho na mas malaki pa dyan, gaano po ang laman? More than 30. 30 So the 125 million was divided into 4 bags. One bag is 30. How about the second bag?
30 po.
30 also. The third bag is?
Minsan po, ma'am, more than 30 po.
A little more than
Oo,
30.
30.
And the fourth bag is more than 30 also.
Oo.
The total of which is 125 million. Ilan ho ba security guard yung tumulong sa inyo?
Nung nilagay na po ang pera sa bag, 2 pong security guard ng Land Bank po.
Land Bank, Shaw Boulevard.
Opo.
Tanong, Miss Acosta, hindi po ba kayo natakot magbitbit ng ganito kalaking halaga na pera? Considering the possibility na baka ma-hold up kayo. Remember, you're covered by a Fidelity Fund, bond.
Yes,
And
po.
one of the reasons is the possibility of losing this huge amount of money.
Yes, ma'am.
Bukod po ba kay Mr. Ortonio, sino pa po bang kasama niyo sa sasakyan?
Driver po.
So there were 3 of you only.
2 pong sasakyan, ma'am.
2 drivers?
Opo, isa po ang nagda-drive sa akin, isang sasakyan. Tapos isang sasakyan po ang sinasakyan ni Asik Ortonio.
And were you seated? So you mean you are seated on different cars?
Yes, ma'am.
Yung isang sasakyan, ang kasama niyo po'y driver lang, and the other car, Mr. Ortonio and the driver.
Yes, ma'am.
Balikan ko po yung question ko, Ms. Acosta. Hindi po ba kayo natakot, ninervyos, nag-alala? This is 125 million.
Natakot po, ma'am. Kaya nagpasama po ako kay Asik Ortonio po.
And do you believe that Asik Ortonio has the capability to secure not just you, but even the 125 million?
I believe po kasi lalaki naman po siya kaysa babae ang ikasama ko. Nagkumboy po kami, ma'am.
Yeah, usually, ang mga hold-uppers po, may mga barel. Tama po ba?
Yes
Si
po.
Mr. Ortonio po ba, does he have a firearm also?
Hindi ko po alam, ma'am, kung may dala siyang baril.
Then
ma'am.
what gives you the confidence na pagkasama nyo si Asik Ortonio, okay na kayo?
At least 2 sasakyan po, ma'am. Hiwalay. At least kung ma-hold up man, meron pang isa. Yan po ang nailagay sa isip ko, ma'am. Kaya takot.
So, ibig sabihin, ma'am, during the time that you were encashing the check, you are entertaining the possibility na baka kayo ma-hold up. That's why you said, kung ma-hold up man yung isa, may tirang isa. Do you confirm that?
Yes, ma'am. Yan po ang nasa isip
Miss
ko.
Acosta, kung ganun naman pala, na iniisip nyo na yung possibility of hold up, bakit hindi po kayo nagsama ng mga taong makakatulong nyo to secure the huge amount of money? Kayo po ba'y ilan doon sa OVP? Wala po ba security guard doon or security officers or perhaps the member of the security team of our Vice President who could have helped you secure this huge amount of money?
Meron naman po kaming security, ma'am. Pag dating namin sa office, nakaabang na po kung sino po yung in charge o sino po yung naka-duty na BPSPG po, ma'am.
But of course, you will agree with me that the danger lies not only at the entrance, not only at the bank, but in the entire thoroughfare leading to your office of the OVP. Tama po ba?
Yes po, pero
Balikan
Dasal
ko
po
po
ako.
yung tanong ko kanina, Miss Acosta. Ang sabi niyo po kanina, iniisip niyo na habang nag-encash, kung ma-hold up yung isa, may tira pang isa. Bakit hindi po kayo nagdala ng security to help you secure the huge amount of money? And even your life, Miss Acosta. Of course, we're watching news, di ba? Cellphone lang, namamatay na. Small amount of money lang, namamatay na. How much more this 125 million pesos, which apparently do not belong to you, but belong to the government.
kasi ang driver po namin, ma'am, ay member po siya ng BPSPG.
The
Isa po,
driver is a member of the VP
SPG.
SPG, and you believe that being accompanied by that driver is enough for you to secure that money.
At that time, yan po ang
Yun po
nasa
iniisip
isip
nyo.
ko. Opo, ma'am.
Okay. Kanina po nabanggit nyo, tinutulungan kayo ng mga security guard.
Opo, ma'am.
In what sense? Ano pong tulong ang ibinibigay sa inyo ng mga security guard ng Land Bank?
Pag ano po, pag ang pera nasa land bank na, pag karga po from land bank to sasakyan, sila po ang
Ang tulong po nila sa inyo ay para lang sa pagkakarga ng pera.
Yes, ma'am.
From the teller's counter papunta sa
Sasakyan.
sasakyan.
Opo, ma'am.
Kayo po ang duty nung mag-encash si Ms. Acosta.
Ako po yung duty pero hindi ko po maalala si Miss Acosta kasi normal po na maraming nagwi-withdraw po.
May naaalala po ba kayo na nung December 20 may tinulungan kayong kliyente para bitbitin ang bag?
Wala po.
Wala. Are you aware of that policy as shared by the bank manager? Alam niyo po ba yung polisiya ng bangko na ang mga security guard ay bawal tumulong sa pagbitbit ng bag?
100% po, yes.
100% you are aware.
Opo.
At kung humingi po ba sa inyo ng tulong, kunyari lang, si Ms. Acosta, pakitulungan mo nga ako, bitbitin natin itong bag, ikarga natin sakyan. Tutulungan niyo po ba?
Hindi po.
Ano pong dahilan? Bakit hindi?
Kasi po yun yung utos ng aming manager po.
Because it is bawal.
Opo.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. I wish to direct your attention to the left bottom portion of this accomplishment report. It says, prepared by Special Disbursing Officer, Gina F. Acosta.
Yes po.
Is this not contradictory to what you said na ang nasusunod ay si Colonel Lachica?
Pag final ko dito, ma'am, gibase ko po to sa binigay ni Sir Lachica na final accomplishment report. So, kinokopya ko lang po.
Ibig sabihin, kayo po ay tagagawa lamang ni Colonel Lachica.
Hindi naman po.
So ano pong ibig sabihin nyo? Na ang sinusundan nyo ay kung anong gustong ipalagay dito sa accomplishment report, which is based on the object of expenditures provided by Colonel Lachica.
Ang nilagay po niya sa object of expenditures po, ma'am, ay in connection na po sa aming prepare ng financial and physical plan po. Kasi kasama ko po siya paggawa ng financial and physical plan.
Financial and physical plan. Sino po bang gumagawa ng financial and physical plan?
Ang nagdadra po, ang nag-prepare ako po at si Sir Lachica.
Okay. Ano po ba ang trabaho ni Colonel Lachica? Malapit na po akong malito. Malapit ko na pong isipin ang disbursing officer ay si Colonel Lachica.
Hindi po.
What is the designation of Colonel Lachica, please?
Siya po ang aming security officer.
And a security officer? Ano ho bang trabaho ni Colonel Lachica? Is it her job to prepare the financial plan?
Hindi po.
Is it her job to prepare the accomplishment report?
In the financial po, siya po ang magbibigay sa akin ng information or guide kung ano po ang magiging confidential activities po in relation sa confidential funds po na gagamitin.
I hope you realize, Ms. Acosta, that you are the special disbursing officer.
Yes po, ma'am. Alam ko po.
And part of your job is to prepare the financial plan.
Yes
As
po.
a matter of fact, the financial plan does not bear at all the signature or the name of Colonel Lachica.
Yes po, pero sa kanya po ako humihingi ng inputs or information with regards to the implementation of all the projects included under confidential funds po.
If you're asking for the possible program, subject of expenditure, is it correct to say that you are soliciting some information only and not necessarily the one working with you in the preparation of financial plan? Magkaiba po yun.
Ang hinihingi ko po sa kanya, ma'am, is ano po, mga inputs po or guidance in preparation for the financial plan, especially related po sa confidential activities po.
Mayroon naman pong 300 plus. May signature, may printed name, pero hindi naman mabasa yung printed name. In other words, wala din pong pagkitaan kung sino ang recipient. Again, on the assumption na kayo po ang magre-release ng perang ito sa recipient, papayag po ba kayong i-release itong perang ito na hindi nyo nakitang nakasulat ang pangalan ng recipient?
Nag-trust po ako kay Sir Lachica, ma'am.
Ms. Acosta, let us answer the question po. I understand na ang sabi nyo po si Colonel Lachica ang nag-release.
Yes po.
On the assumption only, kunyari lang po kayo ang magre-release. Andyan yung recipient. 300 mahigit po to. Papayag po ba kayo na hindi nyo mabasa ang mga tunay na pangalan ng pinagbibigyan nyo ng pera?
Kung ako po ang nagbigay, hindi po ako papayag.
Hindi kayo papayag. Now, let us go to the acknowledgement receipt with the recipient whose name is Mary Grace Piatos. Do we still have that slide, Secretariat? Can we please share it? I wish to believe na nakita nyo na po ito during the previous hearings. Again, hypothetical question ulit. Kung kayo po ba ang magre-release ng pera to a name, Mary Grace Piatos, kayo po ba ay papayag?
Papayag pa ako, ma'am. Meron naman pong Piatos na apelyido.
Do you know Mary Grace Piatos? Do you know Mary Grace Piatos?
Wala po. Hindi ko po siya kilala, ma'am.
But you said na papayag kayo kasi may apelyidong Piatos. Saan ho ba kayo nakakita ng apelyidong Piatos?
Meron po sa amin sa Davao, ma'am.
Meron po na apelyidong Piatos. I will be interested to know, Ms. Acosta, kung sino po yung mga taga Davao na may apelyidong Piatos. But do you honestly believe na meron pong Mary Grace Piatos?
Yes, ma'am. Sa Davao po meron.
Meron.
Opo.
Bakit po kaya hindi siya lumulutang? I am reminded by the pledge of, I believe, the Young Guns, who contributed money to raise 1 million, asking Mary Grace Piatos to come out to the open. Bakit po kaya walang lumulutang? If indeed mayroong Mary Grace Piatos sa Davao.
Kasi po, nagbibase lang po ako sa binigay po ni Sir Lachica na mga binalik
Ms.
niya sa
Acosta,
akin.
kindly answer the question po. Ang sabi niyo po kanina, mayroong Mary Grace Piatos.
Piatos po ang sinabi ko, ma'am, na apelyido.
Nonetheless, kayo po ba'y naniniwalang mayroong Mary Grace Piatos? In the first place, kayo po dapat kaharap nito eh. Dahil kayong special disbursing officer. But you kept on claiming that you handed the entire amount to Colonel Lachica. Kaya hindi nyo alam kung anong nangyari doon sa pera. O ito na po ang consequence. Ipinagtiwala nyo ang disbursement sa hindi naman accountable officer. How will you answer now to that acknowledgement receipt? Paano nyo po ngayon ipapaliwanag yan? Kayo po ang accountable officer and you're bound to explain who is Mary Grace Piatos.
Hindi po talaga ako maka-explain yan, ma'am, kasi hindi po ako ang nagpapipirma po. Ang nag-execute po ng acknowledgement na yun, ma'am, si Sir La Chica po.
You said ang nag-execute po ng acknowledgement ay si Sir La Chica. Sino pong pumirma dyan?
Siya lang po ang makakaalam, ma'am.
Si Colonel La Chica lang ang nakakaalam.
Yes po, kasi siya po ang nag-execute ng acknowledgement receipt po.
Ms. Acosta, ako po'y gusto ko pong maawa sa inyo kasi while you entrusted the entire amount of 125 million to Colonel La Chica, who is not an accountable officer at all, I hope you realize, kayo po ang mananagot sa buong 125 million. Are you aware of that?
Yes, ma'am, aware po ako.
Balikan ko po si Mary Grace Piatos, anchoring my question on your statement na may mga piatos sa Davao City. In spite of the pledge of 1 million by Young Guns, kung talaga pong may Mary Grace Piatos, I believe 2 weeks na ang nakaraan, but wala po kayang nagpapakilala na Mary Grace Piatos.
Piatos lang po ang sinabi ko, ma'am. Hindi
Ano po
ako-
yun?
Piatos lang po na apelyido ang sinabi
Yes,
ko.
but you said that there are piatoses in Davao City. May mga piatos sa Davao. Kung hindi nyo man po talaga personally kilala that certain Mary Grace, bakit po kaya walang lumulutang kung talagang may Mary Grace Piatos, magkakaroon ho siya ng 1 milyon na walang kahirap-hirap? Would you agree with me if I would say? The reason kung bakit walang lumulutang ay dahil wala naman talagang Mary Grace Piatos. Tama po ba?
Hindi po ako maka-say ng yes or no, ma'am, kasi si Sir La Chica po ang nag-execute po, ang nagpapapirma po
No.
ng acknowledgement
Ms.
receipt.
Acosta, I'm not asking you about the personality of Mary Grace Piatos. This is a hypothetical question again. Having stated na may mga piatos sa Davao and considering na nag-pledge ng Young Guns ng 1 million, tatanggapin ni Mary Grace Piatos. The only condition is magpakilala siya. Ako si Mary Grace Piatos. Tama po bang sabihin na kaya walang lumulutang na Mary Grace Piatos ay dahil ang totoo, wala naman talagang Mary Grace Piatos? Tama po o mali?
Yun po ang answer
Tama
ko,
po o
ma'am.
mali, Ms. Acosta?
Siguro, tama po yun, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's proceed to that acknowledgement receipt with the name Kokoy Villamin. Sino po si Kokoy Villamin?
Miss Acosta has been crying since this hearings started because of her fear and a lot of other things. Can we just give her some air?
1 minute suspension is declared by the chair.
A few moments later.
Ma'am, ibababa ko yung mukha, ma'am. Excuse me, padaan po, padaan.
Penge. Bigyan nyo ng breathing space. Bigyan nyo ng breathing space. Pakiusap lang po. Adjust na po, adjust na. Bigyan nyo ng breathing space. Sige lang, sir. Bigyan nyo lang ng breathing space po. Ma'am, veterans na tayo. Breathing space lang po, mga kapatid. Breathing space lang po, para sa stretcher. Sir, atras mo ho.
Sir, patulong lang.
Para makagalaw yung stretcher.
Pabuhat lang.
Sige lang, sir. No problem. Dito muna tayo, sir. Okay na po.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Wait lang, ha? Wait lang.
Pabuhat na lang. Dito lang ako, ma'am.
Ma'am, lilipat tayo, ha?
Sige po, sige. Kung saan ako kayo. Ready na yan.
Hospital na diretso. Ma'am, veterans po.
Saan po dati lang?
No? Saan?
Veterans po, ma'am.
Bilhin nyo po ng breathing space. Dadaan po yan.
Veterans na, sabi ni Doc. Doon sandali.
Okay.
Andiyan naman si doctor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay lang.
Hindi ko alam. I'm not a doctor, so I do not know. So we'll just please ask the doctor.
Pero,
A few minutes later.
hi VP, you're leaving na? Ay, sorry. Where's she going? Madam, you're leaving na po? Ah, you're going to veterans. Okay.
Sige lang. Dito lang. Oh, tama na. Tama na, dito lang. Diyan lang, sir. Thank you. Sir.